Okay, now today you are going to learn some previous exercises which you have done in earlier classes also. So, from starting, we will start the first chapter or first exercise of the rational number. So, regarding rational number, you have studied in different classes also. So again I will review regarding the rational number. What do we mean by rational number? How to define it and how to differentiate it. So as you have seen in earlier classes, rational number means the number which can be expressed in form of P by Q. The number which can be expressed in form of P by Q. Now the question arises, what is P and what is Q? So P where P and Q are the integers and Q should not be equal to 0. This is the complete definition of the rational number. Rational number means the number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q should not be equal to 0. So this is called the rational number. So we need not to go to more detail in this rational number. Now we will learn how to add the rational number and what are the different properties of the rational number. So for addition and subtraction, suppose two rational number. Now suppose 1 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So numbers, rational number which are having the same denominator. So how to add? So this is very easy and you all can do. If the denominators are the same and if we want to add it, so add simply the numerators and that will be the answer. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 by 7. So this is very easy question. So how to add the different rational number which are having the same denominators. Now again, suppose they are having the same denominator and but they are having the different sign. Their symbols, their signs are different. Suppose 7 minus 25 plus 11 minus 25. 7 minus 25 and 11 minus 25. If we look these two numbers, so what we are seeing that their denominators are equal. But in addition of the rational number, if the denominators are negative. So before addition, what we do? First we will make the denominators a positive. First what we will do? First the denominator which are the negative, we will make it positive. So for making it positive, if we multiply both the denominator and numerator and denominator by negative sign, so this you can write minus 7 and plus 25. Because minus 1 into 7, minus 7 and minus 1. In this fraction, we are multiplying by the minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. As we know that if we multiply in any fraction numerator and the denominator with the same number, so their value will not change. So on behalf of 7 upon minus 25, we can write minus 7 upon 25. Now what happened? Now minus 25, denominator was previously it was minus 25, now it has become plus 25. So what we have done, that first make the denominator positive, plus here also it is negative, so first we will make it positive. So for making it positive, again same process, we will multiply by minus 1, so this we can write b minus 11 25. Now denominator previously it was negative, now it has become positive. Now we can add it as we have done it earlier. So only numerator we can add with the sign. With the sign, if we add, so here minus 7 plus minus 11 upon 25. Open the bracket. Minus 7 plus minus minus 11, it will become minus 18 upon 25. So this way, if the denominator is same, so only we have to add the numerator according to with the sign. As we know that if both are negative, so we will add it. Both are positive, we will add it. Only sign will be same. If the both signs are different, so we will suppose take one more example. Minus 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11. This you have to add. Now first what we will see? We will see whether denominators are same or not. Now here also it is clear that both the denominators are same. So what we will do? Only this and this we will add. So minus 4 plus 5 upon 11. So this we can write minus 4 plus 5 upon 11. So here now this we will solve. Now both the signs are different. If the sign is different, so always it is subtracted. From the bigger number we will subtract the smaller number. So 5 minus 4, it will become 1 upon 11. So this is the answer of this question. Again, if minus 4 by 11 plus minus 5 by 11, this you have to solve. So is equal to minus 4 plus minus 5 upon 11. Open the bracket. Minus 4 minus 5 upon 11. Both the signs are same, so we will add minus 9 by 11. So this is the answer of this question, and this is the answer of. So this way, according to the sign, first what we will see, that if the denominators are equal, so we will add or subtract according to their sign, and we can solve the questions easily. So next question, if their denominators are not equal. I'll take one more example. Suppose 2 by 3 2 by 3 plus minus 4. This you have to solve. So what we will do, now 2 by 3 in form of rational number and minus 4 is an integer. So this also we can convert in the rational number. So this is equal to 2 by 3 plus minus 4 by 1 we can write. Again we will learn that how to add the different numbers which are having the different denominators. So take one more example. Suppose 2 by 3 plus 4 by 1. This you have to add. So for this, if the numbers which are having the different denominator, for the same denominator we are adding the numerators only. But if they are having the different denominator, so in this one, first we will take the LCM of 1 and 3. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So what is the LCM of these 3 and 1? 3. We can write the LCM of these two denominators. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. Now again, from first denominator we divide the LCM. So 3 divided by 3 it will come 1. 3 divided by 3 it will come 1, and from 1 we multiply 2. So 1 multiplied 2 plus here also we will divide 3 from 1, so it will come 3 into 4. Again 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 4, 12 upon 3. So 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, and here it is 3. So this is the solution of this problem, 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 1. So 14 by 3. Now this is a mixed fraction. So this we can convert in mixed fraction. So 3 4 are 12 upon 4 whole 2 by 3. So this is the accurate answer of this question. So for the numbers which are having the different denominator, again we will take some more examples. Suppose minus 5 by 7 plus 4 upon minus 5. Minus 5 by 7 minus 5 by 7 plus 4 upon minus 5. 4 upon minus 5. Now see, two numbers are given to you where the denominators are different. So we will proceed as I have told you already. So if the denominators are different, so we will take the LCM. But before this one more thing we have to observe, that this number is having the negative denominator. So first we will make it positive. So you can write minus 5 by 7 plus multiplied by minus 1 to numerator as well as denominator. So if you multiply minus 1 to 4, so it will come minus 4, and here if it is minus 5 into minus 1, so it will come 5. So this way what we have done, that we have made it denominators a positive. Now again we will proceed, we will move further. Addition. Now take the LCM of 7 and 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. So here LCM 35. We will divide the 35 by 7, and 7 5 is 35. So 5 will come. So 5 into this number we will minus 5 plus Here also 5, 7 ja 35. So 7 into minus 4. Again 5 into minus 5 minus 25, and 7 into minus 4 minus 28 upon 35. So minus 5, now open this bracket also. So minus 25 minus 28 upon 35. Minus 5, now both numbers are negative. So if the numbers are same sign, so same sign will be always added. So 25 and 28 will be added. So 5 plus 8 13, and 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 minus 53 upon 35. So this is the answer, but this is a improper fraction, so we can convert this number into mixed fraction also. So 35 you have minus 35 1 ja 35 and 53 35 1 ja 35 8 18. So 1 whole 8 upon 35. So this is the answer of this addition. So this way you can add the different rational number which are having the different denominators. Now this is the exercise number 1. In the exercise number only you have to learn how to add the things. Now time कितना
17 मिनट 18।
अच्छा अच्छा
बीसी करिए,
बीसी करें तो अब ये होमवर्क. Now in this chapter, now I am giving some homework that you will complete your homework. Actually the complete homework is take the book, purchase the book and complete the exercise number 1.1. But here some additional questions I am giving so that you can do your practice more and more. So write down the homework for this. First of all, you completely solve the exercise number 1.1. Homework. Add minus 2 by 16 and 3 by 16. 2. Simplify. A minus 6 by 5 plus 8 by 3. B 2 by 3 plus minus 8. Question number 4. 4 by minus 15 plus 3 by minus 25. A. B. minus 7 plus 4 by 13. Question 3. This is question number 3. Question number 4. Find the following sum and express your answer as a mixed fraction. Find the sum and express as mixed fraction. A 16 upon minus 5 plus 62 upon 4. B 9 by 10 plus minus 46 upon 5. So this is the homework of today's class. So now next class we will solve the exercise number 1.2. Okay. Okay, now this is the today's first class, as we are not giving some more homework because we don't have more experience for the online classes. So slowly we will move and try to get the book and do at home.